Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the hidden or somewhat hidden dark theme on your Windows 10 computer. So this can definitely be a cool little trick if you want to have a little darker experience when you're using your Windows 10 computer. So by default, most people are going to be using the light theme. So in order to turn on the dark theme, it's going to be very simple. We're going to open up the Start menu. And you either want to left click on the settings icon on the left side that says settings if you hover over it, basically a little gear, or you can type in settings if you want into the start menu. And once you're on settings, you want to go and left click on the personalization tile that says background lock screen colors and whatnot. And once you've left clicked on that, you want to scroll down and left click on the colors on the left side here. Scroll down again. Underneath choose your default app mode, left click on dark, and you can see the theme has changed to dark. And if you go back, you can see that it has kept the dark theme. So definitely cool to know about, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.